What's good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we will be exploring Bally's. Now, this first part of this video, we are actually at a place called Grand Bazaar Shops. I'm not sure if I said that right, so I apologize in advance. But this is like a small little mall area in front of Bally's. These shops are open Sunday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And on Fridays and Saturdays, they're open from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. A detail I really like about the shops is the fact that they have misters, because this shop is all outside. So even though they do have coverings, they do have misters. And because I'm short, I was trying to get the best of it. But not only that, the fact that there's a Ben & Jerry's. I don't go to Ben & Jerry's, but the fact that it's there and it's an option, I totally love it. So Dirt Dog is a pretty well-known place here in Vegas, but this particular location is open Mondays through Thursdays at 10 a.m. to midnight, and Friday through Sunday at 10 a.m. to 2 in the morning. Also, I have never been to this place, but judging based off the pictures alone, if you love toppings and stuff like that on your hot dogs and stuff, I would highly suggest it. Vegas is also known for having a lot of celebrity restaurants, but Wahlburgers is my ultimate favorite spot to go to. Their burgers are amazing. They are open Sundays through Thursdays at 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. And on Friday and Saturday, they're open from 4 o'clock in the morning. And if you want to know more about Wahlburgers, I did post a TikTok on it, so don't forget to check that out. Once again, my @ is fun.sizer. Be sure to watch that video too. So these are new. This is a Rollisol, and these are located all over the strip, just in case you did not pack a good pair of walking shoes or something like that. But I'm pretty sure you just pay the machine and it gives you a new sole for your shoe and more support. So yeah, go check that out. So Bally's is the only casino I would say has the weirdest layout. Once you walk into Bally's, you're going to go down an escalator and you're going to see this overview of the casino, which, like, don't get me wrong, is super nice, but all the stuff that Bally's is known for, or like their activities and their shows, is downstairs. And to get downstairs, you have to walk all the way in the back of the casino to another kind of sketchy escalator that takes you downstairs to all of its fun events and whatnot. This cafe is a really neat find. To find it, you're going to go down the escalators once you enter Bally's and take a right and go all the way in the back, and that's where it'll be. And for their Jubilee Theater and show for the Magic Addict, supposedly, it's going to be right next to the cafe, and you're going to go up those escalators, but obviously they're roped off, so I don't even know if they're doing any shows. Okay, I am back with the facts. So Bally's is doing 4 shows currently, well, at least for the month of September that I can find. They are doing a Real Bodies at Bally's, which is downstairs. They are doing that extravaganza show that you just saw, a Potted Potter, and a mind show called Paranormal. Another little Easter egg find about Bally's is that it is connected to Paris through an archway. You just walk through that archway and suddenly you're in Paris. I find this to be quite interesting because I'm pretty sure Bally's is the only casino that is connected to another casino without using a pedestrian bridge that is outside, or just even a pedestrian bridge, period. Like I said earlier, all the fun stuff is downstairs, and once you've reached the back of the casino floor, you will reach these escalators and it'll take you downstairs. It kind of looks sketchy, but once you get downstairs, it's really freaking pretty. So once you walk down the escalator, this is what you're gonna see. It's not very pretty, but the stairwell is, and like just the whole downstairs kind of gives like the whole Circus Midway vibes, to me at least. Those virtual reality spots are everywhere, but just in case you're wondering, these are the prices. You're welcome. So once you get off the escalators, the first show we will run into is the Real Bodies of Bally's. I have never been here, but I really want to go. I heard this exhibit is absolutely amazing, and honestly, I really want to go and tell you guys about it, so hopefully that happens sometime soon. And there's also like this little massage area in the middle of the downstairs Bally's. Once again, all the casinos have that. Hello to my ladies who are probably waiting for a massage and or their husbands. But the downstairs of Bally's kind of gives me like a Circus vibe mixed with like Fremont, because like there are the neon shirt stands that are in Circus and Fremont, and then they also have like a cool little arcade thing for your kids, so that's also super neat. I remember very minimal about the casinos for obvious reasons, but this is the only thing I remembered about Bally's is the Twilight Zone mini golf, and honestly, it is the coolest place I've ever been to mini golf. I absolutely hate mini golfing, but this spot I would go to any day of the week, and I've never even seen the show. So I would definitely check that out if you're into that kind of stuff, or even just a fun family activity to do. They're open Sunday through Thursday from noon to 10 p.m. and on Friday and Saturdays they're open from noon to 11 p.m. I would call before you show up to secure your reservation because they are just that busy. I am not much of a gamer, but I did think that this like life-size Pac-Man was pretty neat. If there is one thing Vegas has taught me, is that you cannot leave your house without running into at least one Welcome to Vegas store, or a store that sells a lot of Vegas memorabilia. Is that even the right word for it? I'm not sure. Anyways, I always thought this was normal, but if you go to somewhere like Arizona, South Carolina, like unless you specifically go to a store like that, you will not find anything thing about this state whatsoever, and to me, I just thought that was super weird because, like, that's not what I'm used to. But enough of that, let's get to the good stuff. They have a freaking food court down here, you guys. I have been to Bally's maybe 3 times in my entire life that I can remember, and I do not remember there being a food court, and they actually have some pretty valid choices for a food court. As to what this is, I don't know. I think it's like it's sugar knockoff. I'm not really sure, but I see this place all over now. So it might be a new like sugar store. I don't know. So, according to my mom, Bally's was actually known for their sports book, and this is their sports book, which I find super, like, ironic that it's not on the casino floor with all of the other gambling. Maybe they put it down here so there's a reason for people to come downstairs and watch all their attractions and stuff. I'm not sure. But they actually had a really nice sports book, and I really liked it. This video is just me showing my mom that I'm strong, especially with my left hand, because that basketball was actually pretty heavy. And I was genuinely surprised. So next to the sports book is this wall with an ad about some of the shows that they have, and all those little like signs you see on the wall are also about like the restaurants or the shows that they have to offer. Like this is for a steakhouse, never been, but it looks super good. I also didn't know that hotels regularly have a fitness center. Like, who goes on vacation to exercise? But hey, I'm not here to judge because clearly you're doing a lot better than I am, because 1, you're on vacation, and 2, you're exercising on it. This is an ad for Buca de Beppo, and apparently I've been here a bunch of times, and they serve family style, so that's super neat too. We always appreciate a family style dinner. And once you walk down the sketchy hallway, you will run into the pool. Those are the pool hours, and this is the pool. It honestly looks super nice. Couldn't really get any close-ups, but I got one for you guys. And I'm running out of time, so thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below other casinos I should do, and smash that subscribe button down there while I add it. Toodles! Also, a side note, I'm so proud of myself because I did that in one breath and one take. Woo!